Today is Wednesday, February 4th, 2009, and daycare closed. Brett's school is closed due to us getting about, I don't know, maybe an inch of snow. So we're outside exploring. And of course, living in North Carolina, it's not like we have snow outfits or anything, so of course we're just hanging out in jeans. So it'll be a little chilly. And Brett's been showing his little brother how to build snowballs, and we're trying to make a snowman. Can you say hi, Tyler, to everyone? Say hi! Say hi! Tyler, can you say hi? Can you say hi? Hi!
Yeah.
Throw it? Want me to throw it? Let's see. What can I hit? David Sandy's house.
Oh! Brett got Tyler instead.
You gonna hit me back? Here, throw it at me. Throw it at me. Throw it at me. Oh! You've got no hands, that's why. Ah!
Uh-oh!
Oh, you fell.
Is it cold? Want some help getting up?
Here, I'll help you up.
Okay. Say bye-bye, Tyler. Say bye-bye. Tyler, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. And he's off. Bye.